How to use Gemini AI to create ebooks. Full Guide 2025. Step 1. Open Gemini AI and plan your ebook. Sign in at gemini.google.com and decide on the topic, audience, and the chapter or key points. Step 2. Generate each chapter. Use Gemini AI to write chapters one by one. Repeat this for each chapter, changing the chapter number and events. Step 3. Review and enhance. Check the content and ask Gemini to improve it. Step 4. Combine chapters into an ebook. Put all chapters together in order and also add a title page, table of contents, an introduction and conclusion. Step 5. Add illustrations. You may create AI illustrations to accompany each chapters. Step 6. Save, share, or publish your ebook. Export as PDF, EPUB, or MOBI with cover and illustrations. You may also share your PDFs with readers, schools, or publish online, such as Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or your own website.